Are you ready to delve into the intricacies of people management strategies? This video explores key aspects of managing people within an organization, from working environments to CSR agendas. Discover how these strategies impact employees and drive organizational success.
Understanding key terminology is crucial in people management. Terms like working environment, leadership style, and organizational culture define the framework. These concepts guide how employees interact and perform. Familiarity with these terms helps in navigating management strategies. They form the foundation of effective people management. The working environment encompasses physical and psychological conditions. Safety and ergonomics are vital for employee well-being. Amenities like cafeterias and rest areas enhance comfort. A positive environment boosts productivity and satisfaction. Google's innovative office designs serve as an example. Leadership style shapes how employees are managed and guided. Autocratic styles centralize decisions, while democratic styles encourage participation. Laissez-faire offers autonomy but requires skilled employees. Each style impacts morale and engagement differently. Zappos exemplifies democratic leadership, fostering empowerment. Hierarchical structures offer clear career paths but can be rigid. Culture embodies shared values and norms within an organization. It influences behavior and employee loyalty. Misalignment between values and practices can lead to disengagement. Patagonia's culture emphasizes environmental responsibility. This attracts employees who share similar values. Staff development focuses on skill enhancement and career growth. Training and mentorship programs are core components. These opportunities increase job satisfaction and retention. Deloitte's extensive training programs exemplify this approach. A skilled workforce enhances organizational capability. Flexible working accommodates personal and professional needs. Remote work and flexible hours improve work-life balance. Compressed workweeks offer longer days but fewer workdays. Such practices attract diverse talent and reduce stress. Microsoft's flexible policies enhance satisfaction and productivity. Ethical practices adhere to moral principles in business. Fair treatment and transparency are key aspects. Corporate governance ensures accountability. These practices build trust and loyalty among employees. The Body Shop is known for its ethical sourcing and cruelty-free products. CSR addresses social, environmental, and economic impacts. Environmental sustainability and community engagement are key areas. Ethical sourcing ensures fair supply chain practices. CSR enhances employee pride and attracts talent. Unilever's Sustainable Living Plan exemplifies these initiatives. Working environment and leadership style are foundational. Structure and culture shape employee interactions. Development opportunities and flexible practices enhance engagement. Ethical standards and CSR further drive success. Financial incentives drive employee motivation. Incentives motivate employees to achieve goals. Bonus schemes reward overall performance. Incremental rises acknowledge career progression. These financial rewards enhance motivation and retention. UK Versity Online employs these strategies effectively. Job satisfaction is enhanced through various initiatives. Flexible work arrangements support work-life balance. Professional development opportunities foster growth. Recognition programs acknowledge achievements. UK Versity Online focuses on these aspects to boost satisfaction. Continuous development keeps employees skilled and knowledgeable. Access to educational resources is essential. Mentorship programs support professional growth. These initiatives improve service quality and capability. UK Versity Online invests in continuous development. Leadership development is crucial for organizational success. Management training enhances strategic planning skills. Workshops improve decision-making and communication. Strong leaders foster cohesive team dynamics. UK Versity Online emphasizes leadership development. Feedback systems are vital for continuous improvement. Student and employee feedback informs process refinement. Open forums encourage suggestions and concerns. These mechanisms help adapt to changing needs. UK Versity Online values robust feedback systems. Performance management aligns employees with organizational goals. Smart objectives guide progress. Regular reviews provide constructive feedback. Clear goals enhance focus and productivity. UK Versity Online's performance management is comprehensive. Technology streamlines operations and boosts productivity. Learning management systems deliver courses efficiently. Collaboration tools enhance communication and project management. Technology reduces administrative burden. UK Versity Online leverages technology effectively. Enhanced collaboration leads to innovation. UK Versity Online promotes a collaborative culture. People management strategies significantly impact individuals and teams. Incentives boost motivation and collaboration. Flexible practices support diverse needs. Development opportunities enhance skills and retention. UK Versity Online strategies drive success. UK Versity Online implements diverse people management strategies. Financial incentives and flexible work arrangements enhance motivation. Continuous development and performance management improve skills and alignment. Ethical practices and CSR boosts satisfaction. These strategies ensure a motivated and productive workforce.
By implementing these strategies, organizations achieve sustainable performance and competitive advantage.